Hey everybody, this is continuing on my Warhammer Myrmourn Banshees. I just now finally got them to a point where they are all primered. You can kind of see some really neat detail in these. They're all primered. I can get them primed so that way I can airbrush them. Still have not decided on what color scheme I'm actually going to go with. But you can see the armored chest plate. There's a lot of nice details in there. A lot of times, even on the artwork, they do the white on top and then they go to the color on the bottom. I would think it would be more the color would be on the top and then it would go to white because it would actually be fading in to transparency. So that was one thing I was thinking of doing. I've been looking at other people's builds, trying to get inspiration on what other people have been doing. There's a lot of great builders out there that work on Warhammer figures. You really got to watch these daggers too. They're very fragile. Once I do an airbrush, so that'll be the next step. I'll airbrush the actual main color scheme, so it'll be the cloaks, and then the bottom, so the cape part, and then the bottom like this piece here. Get those airbrushed, and then pretty much all the rest of that I'll either mask that off and airbrush the gravestones on the two that have them. And then the rest will probably be detail painting unless it washes. And then this one has the tree stump, so I'll have to be doing that one as well. And then here is the base plates. There's a lot of detail that goes into these base plates. Couple skulls there, some vines, got some brickwork and some, looks like some dirt and grass, some roses. I know a lot of you guys are either car or military, and that's including me. I'm just really getting into the Warhammer scene. But it's a good way to try different things, break the norm, learn new skills. So I'm giving it a shot. Learn some new skills. I'll be able to apply it. This here is the face on one that I bought separate on eBay, and it's really going to be a cool one miniature build. I'm just going to sneak the videos into this one. There's a skull and his crown. So much detail on those little things. But hopefully you enjoyed the build video to go along to show how I got to this point. I'll be doing a video or time lapse, haven't decided which, of the airbrushing process. Give that a shot, and I'll be sharing with you how it goes. Till next time, I'll see you then.